How to fix verification code failing to send in Twilio. Number one, check your Twilio account. Ensure your account is active, your balance is sufficient, and your phone number is verified. If any of these are off, verification code won't send. Number two, verify your API call. Always double check your API request for sending the code. Number three, check the logs for errors. Go to Twilio console, monitor error logs to identify any issues. Number four, use proper phone number format. Always use E.164 format for phone numbers. Number five, check carrier and region restrictions. Some numbers or regions may block SMS from Twilio. Always use the lookup API to verify that the number is capable of receiving messages. If any of these steps don't resolve, contact Twilio support.